What's up, world? It's JimmyIrvin on the beat, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a dirty 808, real dirty. So I already got my melody and perks and all that put together. Let me play it for you. All right, so I already got an 808. Make sure you get something that sound cool too. Don't get no soft 808 or this ain't gonna work. So first thing you're gonna do, go to your 808 pattern right here. I'm in D sharp minor, so put your 808 right there, start it off. Make sure your velocity is up too, because if you have it down, that ain't gonna work. So alright, here we go. See, that's cool right there, and I ain't even did much yet, but so let's go try this. Sound cool. You can even do it like this. This is what most people do, but you don't gotta do it like this. Do it your own way. So look, I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this over. Play it. Alright, that's cool. Now this is how you get a dirty 808 pattern. Just start playing with it. Really, on the last part, like right here, you really want to play with it. So even crazier than that. I'm gonna show you a little trick on how to slide it. Let's say I click it right here. If you double click it, I think it's this one. You click slide, and then this what it does. Click accept. Let me find a longer part. I'll make it earlier too. You hear how it slid up? Make it higher, more noticeable. See, that's just one way you can do it. It's other ways you can pull this down. Control down, and then pull these up. Control up if you're on Windows. And let's say I'm gonna do a triple step right here. You don't want to do it too much to where the rapper can't rap over it or the artist can't, do their thing. But on the verse part, you can kind of just, mellow it out. So play it. See, there you go. I'm going to show you one more tip before I go. All right. So you see, this is the first half playing, like the first 4 bars. On the second half, on the 808, if you right or left click right here and go to make unique, you can double click it, and then let's change this up a little bit. Then on this, probably put something right here. This, do it twice, go one up, go up octave. On this one, go up octave. Take this out. All right, let's try this for the second half, so it won't get boring. That's how you make a dirty 808 and slash a dirty 808 pattern. If you like this video, subscribe, like this video, and comment on a tutorial you want to see me do. I got you. I'm out.